Welcome to our online training video on Guidewire testing. Guidewire testing is a specialized approach for validating applications built on the Guidewire platform, which is widely used in the insurance industry. It ensures that critical systems like PolicyCenter, ClaimCenter, and BillingCenter work accurately and efficiently. Key features include comprehensive platform coverage across PolicyCenter, ClaimCenter, and BillingCenter. It supports multiple testing types like functional and regression testing, enables automation using tools like Selenium and GUnit, and offers strong integration testing capabilities with external systems. Why choose Guidewire testing? It offers niche specialization in the insurance domain, increasing your professional value. Furthermore, there is a growing demand in the global market for skilled Guidewire testers who can also enhance their skills with modern automation tools. The benefits of Guidewire testing include high demand, career growth, attractive salaries, and long-term stability. It also offers the opportunity to work on enterprise-level projects, learn automation tools, and improve both technical and business analysis skills. Guidewire testing offers diverse job roles. A Guidewire test engineer designs and executes test cases. A QA analyst validates insurance workflows. An automation test engineer uses tools like Selenium and GUnit to automate test cases. In conclusion, Guidewire testing is vital for ensuring the quality and reliability of insurance applications. It is critical for delivering error-free systems for policy management, claims processing, and billing operations, essential for business success. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please contact us via phone, email, or visit our website.